So this is a control board from a microwave. I took all the relays off already. And this is the display right here, which is actually a vacuum display. It's a vacuum in there. And, well, you know, I've been trying to figure out how to get it to work for years. And here's the part number. Wasn't able to find that online at all. But I finally figured it out by just kind of just putting a lot of voltage across it. Let me show you. And I am still doing rocket stuff. I launched one actually like 2 weeks ago, but it hasn't worked. In school, it takes up like 90% of my time. It's dreadful. Get that degree though. Oh. Anyways, yeah, let me show you this. Oh, you sputtering son of... Yeah. Let me show you what the voltage and current is on that. 85 milliamps to about 30 volts. It can probably be driven a lot higher because I have the door closed, so there's no sunlight in here. And the way you control that, give me a little more juice, sir. Okay, all right, too much. Stay, okay. Now the way you could, oh hell. Now the way you actually control which displays turn on and off here is, oh crap, what the heck? It's good, they made these things to last, you know. Well, you just gotta ground out the right part. Okay, don't ground out that part. But you see, this is ground back here, so. Sir! And the next part on this is to hook this up to an Arduino so I can actually control it and make it readouts. I think I'm going to use it on my AC power supply I'm going to make, which is going to be so cool. I actually would have made it already if school wasn't devouring my time whole. You can see there's actually little heaters in there that facilitate the, I think the vacuum effect of the display heating up. Wow! That is cool. All right.